If you're crashing midday, if you feel wired at night but can't stay focused during the day, if caffeine is the only thing that gets you moving in the morning, then there's a reason for that. Most people think that the answer is just more rest. But the truth is, it's not just about how much rest you're getting. It's about how your body is using energy, or what's blocking your body from using it. So let's walk through what that actually means. Okay, your energy system runs on a few key things: stable blood sugar, healthy adrenal function, the right nutrients to create and convert to energy at the cellular level. Okay, if any one of these three things is off, then your whole day can feel like a roller coaster. Let's say your blood sugar is spiking and crashing all day because of how you're eating or when you're skipping meals. That alone can cause brain fog, irritability, and cravings. Or your adrenal glands have been pumping out stress hormones for too long. Now your blood sugar levels are flatlined, or you're in that wired but tired stage. And that state burns through your energy reserves fast and leaves you feeling depleted but restless. So here's something that most people miss. To make energy, your cells need micronutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, and CoQ10. But if your gut isn't absorbing those, or if your body's under stress, then you end up chronically depleted of these nutrients, which means that no amount of sleep or motivation is going to get you out of that slump. So what can you do right now? Well, first start eating in a rhythm. Okay, don't skip meals. Every time your blood sugar drops, your body goes into a mini stress response. So protein and fat at every meal is key. Second, create structure in your day for actual recovery. So that doesn't mean naps, it means 5 to 10 minutes where you intentionally slow your breathing, calm your mind, and reset your nervous system. Okay, so implement these things that you've learned here. Don't let them just float on by. Take action on it, and then report back, comment below when you feel better, and report back about how this is benefiting you and your life.